Hindi namin alam kung aabot kami yung mga bata may school bukas. Kailangan nihatid ni Andy.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga subs! Welcome back sa aming channel. This is Diana po ulit. Ngayon, para sa vlog natin for today, this is our final day sa Malaysia. And naka-impake na kami. Checking na lang si Andy kung may iwan kami. Sana wala. Kasi magche-check out na kami at didiretso na kami sa baba. Bababa na namin yung mga gamit and mamaya pa yung flight namin actually gabi. Pero maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito kasi dito sa Hilton Hotel may katabing mall. So papagurin lang namin yung mga sarili namin at magpapatay kami ng oras. Yung mami niya nasa baba na nag-aantay na sa amin. Kaya halika na. Ayan. Same maleta lang naman kami. Hindi naman kami bumili ng kung ano-ano. So, one luggage lang kami ni Andy. Tapos yung hand carry. And this is my OOTD to the airport para tayo ay comfortable. Yes, babe. I told you that. Check everything. Diba? Ano mga outfit namin? Puro mga sportswear.
I'm going out.
Oh. I'm glad yung mga sportswear natin from Australia nagagamit natin. Kasi, di ba, ito yung outfit natin sa Australia palagi. Yes. Hindi ka na. Did you check the banyo?
Yeah.
Everything is here. Lotion. Wala naman kami nilalagay sa drawer. So, I'll bring this too. Okay. Shit, mas mabigat siya. Baka pwedeng ipasok yung malaking bag, malaking cooler mo dito, babe.
I'll try and hard.
Pwede yan. Lagay mo na muna ngayon.
All the towels inside, maybe.
Oo.
Something like that.
You sure? Ako na to.
This doesn't.
Net clips on. You go ahead kasi mas mabigat yan.
Sakto naman.
Okay. Paalam, Hilton Hotel. Salamat sa mami mo. Buti na lang medyo malapit sa location ng game ni Andy this time. Naninibago si Andy sa akin kasi ang payat ko daw. Payat ba? True ba? Halika na. Okay. Did you tell your mom pababa na tayo? Okay.
She's really hungry.
Actually, ako din. Nubos may energy ko eh.
That's probably why. No?
Hindi mo alam?
Usually get hungry. Alright guys, last day here in KL. We are walking off to the mall. Star G is gonna shop.
Looking lang. Oh,
Looking, window shopping. Grabe, it's so bright. Pala.
shopping lang.
We haven't been out all day actually. We've been staying in the hotel. And now it's like super bright.
Kailangan lang namin magpatay ng oras dahil mamayang gabi pa yung flight namin. Pero we need to leave here around 4 o'clock with 2 hours na lang, no? Parang 2 o'clock na.
2 o'clock now.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. So we have 2 hours na maglakad-lakad dito. And then, malayo kasi yung airport nila sa city. Around 1.5 hour. No?
I think during this time it's probably not too much. It was a Sunday today, so not so bad. Sana walang traffic. But yeah, we've had so much fun here already. It's been a good trip. We're already planning the next one.
Oo, meron ulit APP dito, pero sa May pa.
So may
We'll see kung ano ang matuloy. Let's go!
Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew.
alright, we made it to the airport. Grabe, ang daming tao. Just gotta look for Manila. Saan yung Manila? Wala pa ata. May Cebu sa taas. Wala pa yung Manila. Okay. We're on this side.
So we talk about the past for a moment.
Nandito na kami sa airport. Pa-check-in na.
May vitamin water din pala.
We're going to buy food. Kahit na may food naman sa aeroplano. Pero matagal pa kasi yung boarding. What's
Ay.
that?
Sausage roll.
Ayan na lang kaya kainin mo.
Feeling ko spicy.
Bigyan mo na ng kape dyan yan. Si Uncle Laro binigyan ako ng mga.
In flight?
Ha? Ha? Hi guys. It's 11 p.m. We are delayed for 3 hours na. Ngayon, wala pa silang ina-announce pero papunta na kami dun sa gate na sinabi nila. Nilipat nila kami sa gate. Lalakad kami medyo opposite side kasi yung pinalitan namin na
We're only at
gate kung
L5.
saan kami magbo-board. Sobrang layo. Tapos, sikip. Ginagawa kasi yung airport nila dito. But anyway, sana pagdating namin ng boarding na kasi hindi namin alam kung aabot kami. Yung mga bata may school bukas. Kailangan ihatid ni Andy.
Somehow.
Oo, 11 na eh. 4 hours
Flight.
yung flight. Yung flight namin 12. 11 na ngayon.
We'll get there 4 a.m.
Okay yun po. Siyempre, biyahe pa 1 oras.
Wala pa?
Asan yung 11? Oh my God!
9. Parang sa dulo. Ang napakapagla.
Bakit wala akong 11? Bakit nalagpasan natin? Hindi, L9. Bakit nandun pa sa dulo? Nagbablog kasi ako, hindi ko napansin. Can you check this? I'll check there. Stay here. Okay. Kasi L12, tapos L9. Tapos L10. Walang L11. Ganun. It's here. L11. Yun. Found it. L11. Kawawa naman yung ibang tao. Nakaupo na lang dito. So, maghanap kami ng pwesto. Ayan. Boarding na kami. Oh my gosh. Aray ko. Mamaya na nga mga susang hirap maglakad.